Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is our third video. We are providing handwritten notes of Nayak Dach by Naveen sir. The topic of the video is the organ of the government. There are mainly three organs of the government of India. Number one is the legislative, second one is the executive, and third one is the judiciary. Let's talk about separately in all the organs of the government. Firstly, we talk about the legislative, which main function is lawmaking. In India, there is two tier of legislature. Number one is the central legislation, and second one is the state legislature. Central legislature is known as parliament, which is mentioned in Article 79 of Indian Constitution. In parliament, there are two houses. One is Rajya Sabha, which is mentioned in Article 80. It is also known as Upper House, and second one is the Lok Sabha, which is mentioned in Article 81, and it is known as Lower House or a Popular House. The second organ of the government is the executive. It is also in two tier. First one is the central level executive, and second one is the state level executive. In the central level executive, there is president, which is mentioned in Article 52, vice president, which is in Article 63, and prime minister, which is mentioned in Article 17(5)(1), and the council of the ministers. In the state legislative, there is governor, who are mentioned in 153 article, and then chief minister, which is mentioned in Article 164, and the council of the ministers, which is also mentioned in Article 163. The third organ of the government is the judiciary. Its function is the interpretation of law and provide justice. In Indian judiciary, the power of power distribution is the horizontal. Our judiciary is divided into three tiers like Supreme Court, High Court, and District Court. Indian judiciary is the integrated judiciary. Let's further learn polity, which is known as the state system. The meaning of state is the nation plus system is the state system. State system is the way of administration. There are four organs of the state system. Number one is the population, second one territory, and third one is the government, and fourth and most important is sovereignty. The concept of sovereignty given by Austin, and the concept of political sovereignty given by Rousseau. There are mainly 6 types of sovereignty. Number one is the inner sovereign, second one is the outer sovereign, third one is the nominal sovereign, like President of India and the Queen and King of Britain is the nominal sovereign. Fourth one is the real sovereign, PM of India is real sovereign in India, and the popular sovereign, like Indian citizen in popular sovereign in India. And the legal sovereign is our constitution. Our constitution has legal sovereign. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe.